Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel Surya Online SAP Training Services. Let us talk about Tabstrip. What is Tabstrip in module pool program? So a Tabstrip is nothing. It is just a type of control which is used in module pool programming, and by default it consists of two pages. As you can see in the screenshot, the tab 1 and tab 2. By default, this will be created. However, it may consist of more than two pages as per the business requirement. Each tab page consists of a tab title and a page area. Page area is nothing but sub-screen area where we need to call sub-screen. As you can see in the screenshot here, it has been explained how to design a tab strip. In order to design a tab strip, we need to navigate to Screen Painter and then click on tab strip icon without wizard, right? SAP provides flexibility to create tab strips with wizard and without wizard. Let us quickly develop a program to understand the basic concept of tab strip, right? And this is how we are going to call a sub-screen for the tabs. In the event process before output, we need to call the sub-screen area including the program name and DINPRO number. And in the process after input event, we need to call subscreen area 1 and subscreen area 2. Discuss today about tab strip in module pool program. So let us go to this is our favorite transaction code, that is SC38. So let us create a new program for module pool using tab strip, right? So let us create this program quickly. Let us give some title of the program: demo module pool program for tab strip, right? So let us make the program type as module pool and just save it as a local object. Okay, here we go in our editor. Now tab strip is what? Nothing but a control, a type of control. So we have to declare the control. So tab strip, right? Type tab strip. Fine. Let us activate it and then navigate to SC80, right? Now simply we will create one main screen of the program. So let us give it 300. Okay, so this is going to be our main screen of this program. Yes. Now let us go to layout quickly. So this is called Screen Painter, or many people they call it as screen uh, designing area, right? So both the things are same. Now here we have two options. One is using wizard and the other one is we can create tab strip manually. So let us see them one by one. So yes, let me make it a bit bigger, right? Now let me rename it and make it as sales header details, and the second one as sales item details. So sales item details. All right. Okay, description part is done. Now, before that, I just want to give the name of this tab strip control. So we will give the same name what we declared in our program. This is tab strip, and for each tab we have two tabs here. So for each tab we have to provide a subscript. We need to provide a subscript. Okay, this is subscreen 1 and this is our subscreen 2 area. Yes, for the second tab. Let me stretch it. Okay, now looks good. So see, we have two subscreens for each of the tabs. So the second subscreen name is reference 2 and the first one is reference 1, right? So let us give here function code tab 1, and for the other one let us give tab 2. That's it. Now let us activate this. Okay, now we need to create two different screens. Two different screens with different numbers. So 301, this is going to be our subscreen 1, right? Subscreen 1, we will make it as subscreen, right? Let us go to layout and we will simply give some description here, right? So I will be writing this is a sub-screen for or sub-screen to display the sales header details. Fine. Let us activate it for now. Okay. Similarly, we are going to create one more screen for tab 2, one more sub screen for tab 2, right? So we will give it as 302 and we will again make it, and I can write sub screen 2. Fine, let us go to layout, and this sub screen is going to display our sales item detail, right? So this sub screen is used sorry used to display the item details, right? Let us activate this as well. Yes, done. Fine, now let us go to our main screen again. And let us go to flow logic. Here we need to just activate these two modules. One is for PBO, right? So let us activate it quickly in the main program. Yes. So let us activate our PF status. Let me give some name, Z tab, some name, and the title one, Z tab. Fine. So let us declare first our PF status. Okay. MPP. Fine. Let us give these two, at least activate these two buttons. Back and exit. Fine. Yes. Let us activate this. PF status is done. Right. Now let us again go to our screen and okay. So let us call our sub screens. So how we are gonna call them? So call sub screen ref1. What is the name? Ref1 including program name. So we will pass just the system variable sci rep id and the screen number. What is the screen number here? 301. This is for subscreen 2. Similarly, we will do it for a subscreen 2. Call subscreen ref2 including sci rep id along with the screen number. The screen number for subscreen 2 is going to be 302, right? Now similarly we have to call them in the PAI also. So we will be calling as call subscreen ref1 and subscreen ref2. Stop. Let us activate them. Yes, activated. Let us activate the main folder or main program. Okay, and let us go to transaction code. Fine, and let us execute this. So see, we are in the first tab. This is subscreen to display the sales header details. Okay, let us. Okay, this is not working. We need to write some code. So see, this button is also not working, right? So we need to write some more codes in PAI. All right. So let us go to main screen 300 and we will be writing few codes. First, let us activate this module. Yes, let us create this one in the main program. Yes. So we will be writing if sci-ucom, if sci-ucom equal to back or sci-ucom equal to exit. In that case, we write leave not to list processing. We will be writing leave screen to 0. So leave to screen 0. That is return on the main screen, right? And again we will be writing else if Sayucom equal to tab 1, then in that case we need to pass tab strip active tab equal to tab 1 tab 1. Fine. Similarly we will write else if Sayucom equal to tab 2, then tab strip active tab should be equal to tab 2, right? So we will be writing tab 2. Fine. Let us just activate and see if it works for us. Now this let us activate this main program as well, right? All set. So let us go to our transaction code and let us execute this. Okay, so see, it's working now. It's working now. Fine. So now the assignment for you guys is that, so see here in the sales header details. So this is now the text is only displaying, right? I want you to at least display 4 or 5 fields from the header table, that is VBAK, right? And when you click on the sales item details, so few of the fields like Posner, Matnar, sales order number, Posner, Matnar, and net amount, item-wise details needs to be displayed here, right? For at least one sales order. And just on top of this, you need to create one field, weblen, along with one push button, get details. When you enter one sales order number and click on that push button, get details, so the details, the header details needs to be displayed in this header details tab, and item details needs to be displayed in this item details tab. This is the assignment, right? So I will just give you quick hint. If you want to draw the fields, right, so where you are going to draw the fields, right? So this is subscreen 1 for tab 1, right? So here you are going to bring your header fields, right? So for that, what you need to do, I will just quickly give you hint, and then you can just go to main program first, and let us go to change mode. You can define your own structure, right? So types, just give begin of ty underscore vbak, fine, and give some fields here, weblen type vbak dash vbeln, comma, Just give ERNAM, type VBAK dash ERNAM, right? And end of py underscore VBAK. Just give full stop and then data. Fine. Let us give our work area gs underscore VBAK, type ty underscore VBAK, full stop, right? So similarly you can create for VBAP as well, right? Now let us go to 301 in the layout or screen painter, right? Now instead of this text, what I want to do is I just want to bring that work area gs underscore VBAK, right? I will click on get from the program. So see, we have two fields, right, which we are going to display, right? I will give here this is sales order number, right? Sales order number, right? And the second one is text. Just try to make align it, right? So I will be giving here uh, created by, right? I will just align it. Okay. Yes. Now it's in the same alignment. Okay. What's the error? Let us check. Fine. Created by. All right. Okay. Let us remove this one. I can give created by. Fine. What's happening? Created by. Input output template must begin with an underscore. Okay. Let me delete it and let me create one. Okay, so I will be writing created by. Fine. Just let me do some alignment here. Okay. Now just activate this. Activate. Yes. Now let us activate the main program first. Always we need to activate the main program, right? And let us execute this transaction code. See, these two fields are appearing here in the sales header details, and when you go to sales item details. So similarly, you have to, you know, bring some fields from header table, and in the item details, you have to bring some fields from item details. So see here, input and output, both the things are possible, but I want you to just read here, make this field read only. So how you can do that? You again need to go to this 301 subscreen, go to layout and go to this property of field, and let us go to change mode first. Right, let me double click on this field. Okay, so somewhere it should be here, output only, right? Output only. We need to check this checkbox. So user is not going to enter any values. Alright, so just activate this. So only the values will be displayed. Now it depends on the business requirement how you need to design it. Alright, now let us again activate. Okay, so I just want to, when you draw one wavelength field here and click on push button get details, so I want this details to be displayed here in the sales header details as well as in the sales item details. This is the assignment. That's all about tab strip, right? Yes, we do have we do have one wizard to create tab strips. Yes, let us go to change mode. I will quickly show here only. So how we can design the tab strip using. Okay, so let me click continue. Okay, I will give tab strip. So I will give tab str, right? Just click on continue. Nothing. How many tabs you want to draw? Tab 1. Okay. Tab 2 and tab 3. Just click on continue. Fine. See, this will picking screen number 3, 4, 5. Right? Just continue. Yes. Include in the same PBO and PI. Yes, that's all. Right? So we have 3 tabs here now. Right? Just activate this. Done. Done. Let us just go to this screen numbers. Right? Let us go to layout. See here, this will be displayed. Right? Right? So let us close this and try to execute. Let us first activate our main program. So I'm creating this tab strip using wizard. We don't need to write any extra code. So just execute this. So see, this is the second which we created using wizard, and this is how we created using without wizard, right? Using the wizard button, not wizard button, that tab strip control button, right? And this is from wizard, tab strip wizard, right? So anyway is fine, whichever you feel comfortable you can use that way. So that's all about tab strip, guys. See you again soon. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead and bye. Else